What's that? What are you thinking?
Chocolate. Big Dada. With mommy.
How about you?
Small Dada.
Cheers.
Yum no bra.
I have a bra. How about you?
Don't have bra.
Why? You're still baby.
You did not go to school.
Because it's weekends. That's why you didn't go to school.
Do you make up the books?
Like that.
I can remember one. Put paper like that.
Tomorrow you have to go to school. Tomorrow you have to go to school.
No school.
You have a school tomorrow. It's Monday.
No.
Almost vacation na. Don't worry. Did you eat in the restaurant?
And the forest.
Forest. What did you eat?
The forest.
What did you eat?
Noodles.
Pasta.
Noodles pasta.
Noodles pasta. What's that?
Happy 1,000 million.
2 million. Happy 2 million.
Mommy,
Mm.
that's for mommy, diba?
That's for mommy. Are you sure?
Yes.
That's for Jace.
Say happy birthday to mommy.
Happy birthday, mommy.
It's broken, diba?
It's broken nga. Okay mo na. What do you want next?
I can wear like the pink hat with the bow here.
Like that?
Yes.
When is your birthday? It's not your
Then
birthday.
you wear the pink birthday girl, okay?
Okay? On next year, okay? On your 7th birthday.
No, that's not yours.
Yeah, not yet.
I can wear the crown one, then the birthday girl.
When? On your birthday, February 1.
Then you wear the pepper crown, then I wear the pink pepper birthday girl.
And then you sing?
And I can say happy birthday to Jesus on the farmhouse.
You say happy birthday, Gigi.
Then you cry?
Are you cry? You remember last birthday? You cry. Why did you cry?
Jesus cried.
Why Gigi cried? You know past tense and present tense, no?
On the birthday.
And then, what happened?
So, crying on the cheek.
You have many cake, then you cry.
Yes.
Why?
I'm everywhere.
You're overwhelmed.
Then you blow the cake.
Like that? What do you want? Baby boy, baby girl?
Baby girl.
Or what if it's a baby boy?
You make baby girl.
I make again? Very hard naman. But you love a baby boy.
You make baby
You will love the baby boy.
Then you make some baby girl.
Sam! How can I make some baby girl? When you grow up, what do you want to be? You want to be a doctor, a nurse, therapist. What do you want to be?
Doctor.
Are you sure you want to be a doctor?
Yes.
Before you told me you want to be a therapist. How about you? Your baby?
No.
Only mommy.
Yes.
How about daddy?
You don't have baby.
Why?
It's a boy.
Daddy is a boy. But this one is daddy baby.
You don't have baby.
Daddy don't have baby.
It's a boy.
Oh, why Jace don't have baby?
It's girl.
You're still kid.
Mommy, I'm the big dada.
How about you?
Small dada. Can swim on the farmhouse.
You swim in the farmhouse?
Yes.
Or you tell Tita which?
The which I can swim on the farmhouse. Please, Tita. The swimming pool, it's green.
You kiss Tita. Like that.
The swimming.
And then you hug Tita.
The swimming pool, it's green.
It's clean, are you sure?
Yes.
Super clean.
Yes.
You happy?
Yes.
Hmm?
There's no more ants.
People in the farm tell me, Lolo,
Oka. Papa Joy.
and then,
Ate Jessie.
and then,
Ate Saya.
and then,
Tita Witch.
and then,
Mr. Chong.
and then.
Mommy.
How about Ate Seya? Ate Seya playing Avatar.
No. Ate Saya and the Ate.
How about Ate Jessie?
Ate Saya and Ate Jessie and Tita Witch on the Ate house.
Like that. How about Ate Jessie?
On the Ate house.
Ate house. That's Ate house, not Tita Witch house.
About Tita Witch.
Hmm.
On the Ate house.
Talaga naman. But we go to Zambales first.
And
You like Zambales?
One more Vales.
You want for Zambales?
Yes.
Bitin your Zambales. What you will do in the Zambales?
I then went here to the beach.
And then,
Going to the Vales.
you bring Tita Christine.
Tita Christina Bajoy. Lola Oka.
And
Ate Christine.
Ate Christine and,
Mommy. Daddy.
we go to,
Vales.
oh, where's your money?
Then bye-bye.
Then bye-bye. Where's your
Lola
money?
Oka, Bajoy. Then Tita Ate Christine.
They go.
Yes.
They ride
The tricycle.
the tricycle. Are you sure it's tricycle? It's Lolo car, di ba?
Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Mm.
Then you bye-bye Tita Christina the home.
And the home. Oh, today, Tita Christine not here.
Oka and Abba Joy. So then you go to farmhouse to Oka and Abba Joy. And then you put here on the plants. Put my dad, and my dad.
In the?
Bandit. Plants
Plants. You put plants?
on the balloons.
On the balloons? On your birthday, I put balloons on the plants.
Yes.
And then,
Good job.
good job. Oh, come on, you brush your teeth.
Then you put towel on your teeth.
Oh, you want to brush your teeth?
Then you put towel on your teeth.
Okay, my love.
Mommy Macy, put Tita Macy.
Can you brush on your own? Wait, brush on your own. Mommy help you, okay?
I didn't put towel. Tita, iPad.
Daddy, you get her iPad now.